Let's talk fighter jets, the pointy, noisy machines that rule the skies. These marvels of engineering are more than just fast. They're the ultimate symbol of national power, technological prowess, and military strategy. Every nation wants the best, and the race to dominate the skies has never been fiercer. For years, legends like the F-22 Raptor and Eurofighter Typhoon have set the standard. These jets have been the pride of their respective air forces, boasting unmatched agility, stealth, and firepower, but technology never stands still. What was cutting edge yesterday is old news today. The pace of innovation is relentless, and staying ahead means constantly pushing the envelope. The world's threats are evolving, and air forces need more than just speed or altitude. Modern warfare demands adaptability, networked systems, and the ability to counter new and unpredictable challenges. So what's the answer? Go it alone and break the bank, or team up and innovate? The stakes are high, and the costs of next-gen technology are soaring. Enter the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. This ambitious project is rewriting the playbook for international defense collaboration. The UK, Japan, and Italy are pooling their resources and expertise. By joining forces, they're sharing the risks, the costs, and the rewards of building something truly groundbreaking. This isn't just another fighter jet, it's a leap into the next era of air power. GCAP aims to redefine what's possible in the skies, setting new benchmarks for performance and survivability. Think of it as the ultimate international collaboration, like Ferrari, McLaren, and Nissan's GTR team building a hypercar. Each nation brings its own strengths, from design to manufacturing to digital innovation. The goal? A sixth-generation stealth fighter operational by 2035. This jet will be smarter, stealthier, and more connected than anything that's come before. It's a bold move, combining industrial might and engineering genius. The project is a showcase of what's possible when nations unite for a common goal. GCAP is about securing the skies for decades together. It's a commitment to shared security and technological leadership. It's not just hardware, it's software, AI, and digital manufacturing. The jet will be a flying supercomputer, able to process data and make split-second decisions. This is a technological moonshot pushing boundaries in materials, propulsion, and digital engineering. Every component is being reimagined for the future battle space. For these nations, it's a statement. They're staying at the forefront of aerospace and defense. It's about influence, deterrence, and pride on the world stage. The project's significance can't be overstated. It's a signal to allies and adversaries alike that these countries are shaping the future. It's about future-proofing air power, not just for one country but for a coalition. Together, they're building a legacy that will last for generations. So buckle up, we're diving into what makes the GCAP fighter the future of air combat. The journey is just beginning, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Let's see how three nations are changing the game, and why the world is watching their every move. Who's behind GCAP? The Global Combat Air Program is a groundbreaking partnership, uniting three nations with rich aviation legacies and a shared vision for the future of air combat. First, the UK, home to icons like the Spitfire and Typhoon, and the brains behind the Tempest project. Britain's long history of innovation in military aviation sets the stage for GCAP's ambitious goals. BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, and other British giants have laid a strong foundation in stealth, sensors, and digital cockpits. Their expertise in integrating complex systems is world-renowned, and they're pushing boundaries in next-gen fighter technology. Next, Japan, pioneers of the Mitsubishi FX, aiming to replace aging fighters with cutting-edge stealth and radar tech. Japan's focus on advanced electronics and precision engineering brings a unique edge to the project. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and IHI bring advanced engines and homegrown innovation. Their relentless pursuit of performance and reliability is crucial for GCAP's success. Italy rounds out the trio with Leonardo and Avio Aero, veterans of the Eurofighter Typhoon and experts in avionics and manufacturing. Italian aerospace has a reputation for blending style, efficiency, and technical excellence. Italy's experience ensures GCAP benefits from decades of European fighter development, and their skilled workforce brings invaluable know-how to the table. Together, these nations blend UK systems integration, Japan's electronics and stealth, and Italy's manufacturing prowess. It's a fusion of strengths, where each partner's best qualities are amplified. It's a partnership of equals. Each brings a critical piece of the puzzle, and each is committed to shaping the future of air defense. No one's just following orders, everyone's leading in their domain. This spirit of collaboration drives innovation and ensures the best ideas rise to the top. This collaboration isn't just about sharing costs, it's about building the best aircraft possible, combining resources, talent, and vision to achieve something truly remarkable. GCAP is a model for international teamwork in defense, setting a new standard for how nations can work together on complex, high-stakes projects. The result? A fighter jet that's more than the sum of its parts, an aircraft designed to dominate the skies for decades to come. That's what makes GCAP so exciting. It's not just a new jet, but a new way of thinking about global defense and innovation. What makes the GCAP jet special? First, stealth, inside and out. Its shape, blended wings, and internal weapons bays are all about dodging radar. Engine exhausts are designed to hide from heat-seeking missiles. But stealth is just the start. The cockpit is fully digital, with augmented reality displays and a networked interface. The pilot manages a flood of data from sensors, satellites, and drones. Enter AI, a digital co-pilot that handles complex tasks, manages systems, and offers tactical advice. The AI frees the pilot to focus on strategy, not just flying. It can control electronic warfare, prioritize threats, and even command a swarm of loyal wingman drones. Weapons? All internal for stealth, next-gen missiles, and even directed energy weapons like lasers are on the table. The GCAP fighter is modular and future-ready, built to adapt as technology evolves. It's not just a jet, it's a flying, thinking digital weapons platform. Every great jet needs a great engine, and GCAP's is all new. Rolls-Royce, IHI, and Aviation are building a power plant that's more powerful, efficient, and smart than anything before. It's not just about thrust, it's about generating massive electrical power for radar, AI, and future lasers. The engine and electrical systems are integrated from the start. Packed with sensors, it predicts maintenance needs before anything breaks. Advanced digital controls optimize performance for any mission. Lightweight composites let it run hotter and more efficiently. This engine is a showcase of international engineering at its best. GCAP's design is a masterclass in balancing stealth, speed, and payload. The concept, a large, twin-engine, tailless delta-wing jet, perfect for speed, range, and stealth. Born in the digital world, engineers use virtual models and simulations to test every detail before building anything physical. S-shaped air intakes and radar-absorbent materials keep it hidden from enemy sensors. Every seam and panel is crafted for stealth. Adaptability is key. The jet's open architecture means it can be upgraded like a smartphone. New sensors, weapons, or software? Just plug and play. This approach keeps the GCAP fighter at the cutting edge for decades. It's designed to evolve, not become obsolete. The digital-first process speeds up development and slashes costs. GCAP is redefining how fighter jets are designed and built. The future of air combat starts here. The GCAP fighter isn't just an aircraft. It's a node in a vast digital network, seamlessly connecting air, land, sea, and space assets. This next-generation jet is designed to be more than a machine. It's a smart, adaptive platform that learns and evolves with every mission. It shares real-time data with other jets, satellites, ships, and ground forces, giving the pilot a complete, ever-changing picture of the battlefield. This constant flow of information means decisions can be made faster and with greater confidence, even in the most complex scenarios. At the core is advanced AI, tirelessly filtering massive streams of data and highlighting only what matters most. The system adapts to the pilot's needs, learning from each engagement to become smarter and more efficient over time. In combat, the AI tracks threats, suggests tactics, and even picks the right weapon for the situation. It can anticipate enemy moves, recommend evasive maneuvers, and help the pilot stay one step ahead in the fight. The pilot can command a swarm of loyal wingman drones, multiplying their effectiveness and keeping the main jet out of harm's way. These drones act as force multipliers, scouting ahead, jamming enemy signals, or even engaging threats directly. The digital backbone extends to maintenance. Sensors monitor every component, alerting crews before anything fails. This proactive approach keeps the jet mission ready and reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Predictive maintenance means more time flying, less time in the hangar. Crews can focus on what matters, ensuring the jet is always ready for its next mission. This digital thread runs from the earliest design stages to every flight hour, creating a continuous loop of feedback and improvement that shapes the future of air combat. GCAP's AI and networked systems are a game-changer for air combat, enabling coordinated tactics and rapid adaptation to new threats. It's not just about flying, it's about dominating the information war, where knowledge and speed are the ultimate weapons. The future is connected, and GCAP leads the way, setting a new standard for how technology, intelligence, and teamwork shape the skies of tomorrow. Managing GCAP is as complex as building the jet. BAE Systems, Leonardo, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries form the industrial core. No single leader, just true collaboration. Engine development is handled by a separate consortium, Rolls-Royce, IHI, and Aviation. This keeps airframe and engine development perfectly in sync. Edgewing, a UK-based joint venture, bridges UK and Japanese teams, sharing digital tools and technical know-how. Governments set requirements, fund the project, and oversee progress. The GCAP international government organization based in the UK manages contracts and keeps the program on track. It's a model of multinational cooperation. Everyone has a seat at the table. That's how you build a fighter jet for the future. When will GCAP fly? The target in service by 2035, a fast pace for such a complex project. Right now, the focus is on maturing tech and finalizing the design. By 2025, full-scale development begins, leading to the first flying demonstrator. This test jet will prove the design and systems before production. Next come pre-production prototypes for rigorous flight testing. If all goes well, production jets roll out in the early 2030s, training ramps up, and by 2035 the UK, Japan, and Italy will have a new air combat powerhouse. It's a long road, but the payoff is a generational leap in air power. GCAP isn't just for the UK, Japan, and Italy, it's built for the global market. Export sales lower costs and make upgrades easier for everyone. The partners are courting new customers. Saudi Arabia is already interested. Open architecture means the jet can be tailored for different nations. GCAP will compete with American and European rivals, offering a top-tier alternative. Success means jobs, innovation, and stronger ties between Europe and the Indo-Pacific. It's more than a jet, it's a symbol of international cooperation. If they succeed, GCAP will reshape global defense for decades. The stakes are high, but so is the potential. The future of air combat is being written right now.